Last Furnace introduces a complete smelting system, designed for survival and post-apocalyptic roleplay. Players don't just convert items instantly. They must choose the correct recipe, select the amount to process, and start the smelting operation. Once the process is complete, the final material is stored inside the furnace, ready to be collected. The furnace works over time, turning raw materials into refined resources. Everything is handled through a clean and intuitive custom UI, designed to stay immersive and easy to use. Last Furnace transforms crafting into an experience